Well, you may see a man close up his open hand and see how greed might motivate a reckless fist. And you will witness pain of people's petty pursuits for gain, but you will never see a hearse with a trailer hitch. No, you will never see a hearse with a trailer hitch. Oh, hungry ghosts in the land of milk and honey. Oh, hungry ghosts in the land of milk and honey. There are people so damn poor, all they have is their money. There are people so damn poor, all they have is their money. Truth be told, the truth will be told, only hear it when we're listening. We'll unfold for young and old, 'cause in the end we're all just visiting. In the end, we're only visiting. On this hedonic treadmill, building appetite with collections of those little things that shine. But camels will not fit through needle's eye. Your camels will not fit through the needle's eye. Truth be told, the truth will be told, only hear it when we're listening. We'll unfold for young and old, 'cause in the end we're all just visiting. To bury, there will be no pockets on the pants you're wearing. And on that day you will see what it all is worth. So earthlings, don't keep your treasures here on earth. So earthlings, don't keep your treasures here on earth. No, earthlings, don't keep your treasures here on earth, because in the end we're only visiting.